It's gonna be an unboxing video of the generator. This box looks like it's got... Alright y'all, here's everything that came in the box. Looks like we got stabilizer bushings, came with the 2 wheels, came with a little bag of tools. These pins are for right here, I'm sure. Alright, let's get to this box. It's a cute little dog. I'm not gonna start it today because I'm running out of time, but I'm gonna start it in the morning. Tri-fuel. I do have natural gas at my house, but I'm most likely not gonna run it on that. It'll either be ran off propane or it'll be ran off gasoline if I'm in a real pinch. I don't plan on putting gasoline in this. We're gonna try and run it all on propane. Alright guys, there she is. We got our tri-fuel switch. Fuel is, oh, it's got a fuel off too. Nice. Switch your fuels. On off switch. Remote, well, push to start. It does have a remote start too, which I think I saw it. I saw it hanging right here. Here's a remote start. We got a 50 amp, 30 amp, and just your standard 120 volt. I don't know what a smart switch is, but I'll figure it out. Looks like we got meters. This looks like a fuse. Battery is currently disconnected. The house is wired for this with a 50 amp circuit breaker on the inside. So this thing will basically run my whole house. This is awesome. And I got it for $400 cheaper. I bought not the tri-fuel, I bought the dual fuel, but they must have not have had anymore. And they sent me one with a tri-fuel, which is awesome because this model costs $300 or $400 more than what I paid. This is awesome. I'm gonna put the wheels on. I'm gonna put oil in the oil tank. I'm not gonna start it till tomorrow. I'm running out of time. All right, y'all, I just did pop the wheels on. They came with the pins that went through there. I put that washer on there. Slid it through, put this little pin on there. Same thing on this side. Same thing, very easy to assemble. No directions needed. Here we go, I'm gonna put the feet on now. Comes with all the hardware. And I'll slap these on real quick. Be right back. And just like that, they're on. The generator does come with these to tighten these down. Big, big, big. That's awesome. See this oil captivity line, 1.26 quarts. 1.26 quarts. This whole thing is going in. It came with that little funnel. You guys ain't gonna watch that because I won't be able to hold the camera. I did pull out the oil filter. There was oil in it, but I think that's because they tested it before they shipped it. And it even says it right here, oil has been drained for shipping purposes. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go nice and slow. Spilt a little bit of oil in the driveway. But she's full, she's ready to rock. If you guys made it this far in the video, I'm gonna stage a power outage at my house, and we're gonna See what this thing can do. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.